we're going to be making a lavender blueberry parfait. The ingredients you're going to need are going to be some non-fat plain Greek yogurt. This is great, it has a lot of protein. Some granola of your choice, frozen blueberries, some honey, and some lavender, which I've dried and steeped into some hot water. So to make the blueberry syrup, I'm going to add the cup of hot tea that I made with the lavender. And then I'm going to add 2 cups of blueberries. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. You really can opt out of any added sweetener because the blueberries are sweet in themselves. And then after that is mixed together, and it'll boil until the water gets reduced, and all that'll be left is the lavender flavor as well as the blueberry and sugar. A lot of that water is going to go. Make sure you try to squish some of the fruit, it'll help reduce it. And then once it has reduced and the blueberries have shrunk, you're going to add a tablespoon of chia seeds. This is going to add as a thickener and it'll be jellified, as well as add some fiber and some great omega-3 fatty acids. So you want to add them when it's done cool, when it's off the heat, and then you're going to stick it in the fridge for a bit to cool off, or you can stick it overnight so that it's ready to make your parfaits in the morning. Now to fill up the glass, you're going to start with 1/3 cup of yogurt, and then you're going to add your blueberry jelly that we made, as well as your granola of choice. I'd add 2 spoonfuls, which would be about 2 tablespoons, maybe 1.5 tablespoons, or as much as you'd prefer. And then after granola, you're going to repeat this layering again. You're going to do your last 1/3 cup of yogurt, and then the blueberry mixture and your granola. You can also add other fruit. You can add bananas. You can add the fresh fruit that's not just the blueberries, so that you add even more. You can add nuts to add more flavor, and if it's not sweet enough, you can always add a little bit more honey. Just be mindful of how much sweetener you're adding. And there you have it, a blueberry lavender parfait. Enjoy.